My name is Chigoman and I'm seriously serious. This time I want to be telling you one by one the problem of this our country, Nigeria. Somebody say Nigeria. Somebody say Nigeria. And because I'm very, very angry, very, very angry about the problem of this Nigeria, somebody say angry. Somebody say angry. Maybe I'm one of the people that usually used to throw something on the floor. This is our Nigerian floor. Maybe you buy something on the road, maybe you're in your car or you're in the bus or you're walking on the road and you buy something and you now eat it. Instead of you to put the dirty in the car or in the bus or in your pocket, you can find a proper dustbin and you now do it on the floor. I want to let you know that you are the number one problem of this our country, Nigeria. Somebody say number one. Somebody say number one. In fact, you are bad. You are a bad Nigeria. You are badder than the baddest. You are worse than the monsters. In fact, you are worse than Boko Haram. They should put your face on poster and write wanted because you are a very, very bad Nigeria. Somebody say bad Nigeria. Somebody say bad Nigeria. Later now, you will be the one that will be shouting change, 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 change. Somebody say change. Somebody say change. Can't you be the change yourself and stop doing the wrong thing in this country, Nigeria? And let me tell you something, I don't care who you are, whoever that you are, anybody that is throwing something on this Nigerian floor, that is dating anywhere in this Nigeria, I don't care who you are. I want to announce to you now that they are an idiot. Somebody say idiot. Somebody say idiot. And that's the end that you are using to throw something on this Nigerian floor. You have to bend like this, that it will not be normal again. Amen, idiot.